The Fisherman and the Demon. Long ago, in a quiet coastal village nestled between cliffs and sea, there lived a humble fisherman named Rafik. Each morning before dawn, Rafik cast his nets into the misty waters, hoping for a good catch to feed his family. But the sea had been unkind for weeks. His nets came up empty again and again. One evening, as the sky burned with orange light, Rafik spotted something strange by the rocks, a shimmering silver fish unlike any he had ever seen. As he reached out to grab it, a voice behind him whispered, "Set it free, or pay the price." Rafik turned. No one was there. The deal with the deep. Ignoring the voice, Rafik kept the fish. That night, storms lashed the village. His boat was destroyed. The next morning, he found a scroll nailed to his door, written in seaweed. "You have taken what is not yours. Come to the black reef before the next moon, or drown with the tide." Terrified but determined, Rafik set out in a borrowed boat under moonlight, rowing toward the cursed place the old sailors called the Black Reef. The demon appears. At the reef, waves crashed unnaturally against glowing black rocks. Suddenly, the sea opened up, and from its depths rose a creature with a body like smoke and coral, eyes glowing like fire underwater. It was the sea demon of the deep currents. "You have stolen one of my children. That fish you caught was a guardian spirit of the sea." "I didn't know," Rafik said, heart pounding. "I only wanted to feed my family." The fisherman's test. The demon narrowed his glowing eyes. "If you wish to live, prove your worth. Pass my 3 tests, and I will spare you. Fail, and you shall belong to the ocean forever." Test 1. Rafik was pulled underwater where he had to hold his breath while solving a puzzle made of shells and glowing stones. He solved it just as his breath ran out. Test 2. He faced visions of drowning villagers, forced to choose between saving his own life or sacrificing himself. He chose them. Test 3. The demon challenged him to release the fish, even now, and trust that the sea would provide. Rafik let the fish go. The sea's blessing. The demon smiled, a rare, terrible smile, and vanished into mist. The waters calmed. From that day on, Rafik's nets overflowed, his village flourished, and every year, on the same moonlit night, he returned to the Black Reef, not in fear, but in respect, to cast one fish back into the sea. For he knew that the ocean was alive and watching.